That's right, Lauren. It's a new year and a new you. That means you might want to switch up your makeup routine. Maybe you're feeling a little dried out or a little bored with how you're looking. So, of course, we're welcoming our friend Christina Morale, beauty queen blogger herself. Now, we're talking 5-minute makeup routine.
Yes. So with the new year, everyone's trying to improve themselves. And one way to really do that is to switch up your beauty routine. So I brought a couple 3-in-1 products here today that are just multi-purpose and really help us kind of finish our look fast and make us look fantastic, starting off with a tinted moisturizer. If you've never used one of those before, they hydrate your skin, but they provide a really sheer amount of coverage too that's buildable. So while we're out there trying to battle the cold weather, you can protect your skin and save a couple bucks on products.
Now, with a 5-minute beauty routine, is it all about that foundation? Is it very important to get a good product that you can sort of create that base of?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I think one thing is a lot of women are really concerned about their general skin tone and making sure that we're nice and even. And a tinted moisturizer can provide that while giving us kind of that really natural finish. Nothing too cakey looking, no heavy foundation.
So if we only have 5 minutes, I can assume that there's not a lot of steps involved. What's this next step?
Right. So the next step is you want to add a little color to your face. And I love doing that with one of these little Bobbi Brown color pods here. This can be used for your cheeks, for your lips, and even on the eyes, depending on the color. I love a really fresh coral base, too. It just kind of gives us a sort of bright look instead.
It's a fresh opposed to like a darker red that might just seem like your windburn.
A little much.
Don't want to do that.
No, you don't want to do that. The next thing is, of course, keeping hydrated too. And one thing I really love is a beauty mist. I've got this one by Caudalie here. It's called a Beauty Elixir. You can pick it up at Sephora. And this just kind of gives a really nice natural hydration. I'll spritz a little on your face here.
Well, I feel like I'm missing. I don't know much about makeup, but I think the name Beauty Mist is very charming.
It is very charming, and men and women can use it. And doesn't it smell so nice,
and my face does feel very sort of refreshed.
Yes.
So the Beauty Mist, 2 thumbs up for me right here.
2 thumbs up for that. And lastly, our hair, which it can be really frustrating to style our hair, and we want to do it quickly within 5 minutes. I love this Orbi texturizing spray. It can be used as a dry shampoo, which is fantastic, but then can also be used to just sort of spritz on the hair to create a really nice textured curl and soften the hair too and the look overall. So 5 minutes, you've got hair, you've got hydration, and you've got color too.
So it seems like we're talking a lot about hydration from the beginning to the 3rd step. Is that sort of counter what's happening? You know, the heat's cranked up in our house. We're trying to keep warm, but that can't be good for our skin.
It cannot be good for your skin at all. I mean, it really pulls a lot of moisture out. I've come on the show and talked before about long showers and how that can really damage our skin as well. So you really want to look to find products that are kind of counteract that dryness and that kind of overall rawness in the skin.
And when we're talking about a 5-minute routine now, could we swap some of these products out for other products? Maybe we want different colors. Maybe our hair needs a different type of spray. Is it sort of all interchangeable?
Definitely. You know, I always say if you're maybe not a blush girl or a color girl overall, you can maybe swap it out for a quick mascara. You know, same thing. I love a good lip. I love to have a lip with just a chubby stick that can be used as a lip liner, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. So it really, everything's interchangeable. And I think that's a really great way to save cash too, is when you're at Sephora or when you're at any beauty store in general, look for products that can be used in many different ways. You know, it'll save time on your routine and it'll save a couple bucks in your wallet too.
And of course, if we want to find out any more information about this, your blog is the perfect place to go. What's your website?
BeautyQueenBlog.com.
All right, well, thank you so much for sharing your beauty mist with me today.